Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today. Okay, let's have a look at our next lesson. Wow, what a beautiful scenery, huh? Righto. I have done present perfect simple. Welcome to our presentation on the present perfect simple. For this lesson, I'm going to be using the Essential Grammar in Use Unit 15 as my guide. Right? And once again, it's made by myself, Alfred Grobler. Righto, guys. Let's see. Great. Let's have a look. Wow. Okay. A beautiful Asian girl. Let's see what's got going on over here. Okay. Her shoes are dirty. Secondly, she is cleaning her shoes. And now she has cleaned her shoes, which means her shoes are clean now. Righto, guys. This is something I'd like to point out to you. Many times people or natural English speakers from England or wherever will be saying things which is not normally in textbooks, put it this way. And then the people that's been studying English as a foreign language have just learned the textbook English, and they will not understand a lot of these things over here. Like for instance, if I say she has cleaned her shoes, that means her shoes are cleaned now. What is the present perfect simple? The present perfect simple is used to talk about past experiences that have a connection to the present. It focuses on the result or the effect of the past action rather than the specific time it occurred. Righto, great. Let's have a look at forming the present perfect simple. It's important, guys, to form your sentences correctly, eh? Really, it is very important. I, you, we, they. Of course, I, you, we, they have, plus a past particle. He, she, it. He, she, it, plus has, plus a past particle. Has cleaned or have gone, etc. is the present perfect. Have plus a past particle. Right, I'm just going to have a look at it. I, we, you, they have, or you can also say have like that. You can just say I've, we've, right? Or have not, or haven't. Doing, watched, play, or whatever the case might be. Righto. I have been playing, I have been doing, I have not been watching, or whatever the case might be. You will see in a moment how to form the sentences in a more proper manner. Righto, and of course, with regular verbs, irregular verbs. I, or have I cleaned? Have you started? Has he been, or has it gone? Right? Irregular verbs is where the last verb changes completely. You will see as we go along. Good. Let's have a look at the regular and irregular past particles. For regular verbs, we add ed onto the base form. For instance, play becomes played, work becomes worked, right? So the past particle is ed, the same as the past simple. Clean, I have cleaned. Finished, you have finished. Start, he has started. Let's go and have a look at the irregular verbs. They have special forms, e.g. see becomes seen, eat becomes eaten. The past particle is not ed. Sometimes the past simple and the past particle are the same. Buy, I bought, I have bought. Have, she had, she has had. Sometimes the past simple and the past particle are different. For instance, break, I broke, I have broken. See, you saw, you have seen. Fall, it fell, it has fallen. Go, we went, we have gone. You can see clearly, for instance, went, gone, saw, seen, broke, broken, fell, fallen. You can see exactly how they are different from each other. Okay. We use the present perfect for an action in the past with a result now. I've lost my passport equals I can't find my passport now. Alright? Next one. Where's Jane? She's gone to bed. Which actually means she's in bed now. We've bought a new house. Which means we have a new house now. John is away on holiday. Oh, where has he gone? Which actually means, where is he now? Guys, that is a lot of times, like I've said to you many times, non-NES speakers misunderstand when NES speakers say many things, and it causes a lot of problems. Believe me, I know, I have seen it in classrooms. Okay. Wow, they look so happy, everybody over there, huh? Let's have a look at some real-life examples. I have seen that movie before, right? It means that you have seen that movie some time ago, in the past. She has already eaten lunch, which means she's had her lunch already. Have you ever been to Paris? Is a way of asking if somebody has been to Paris sometime during their lifetime. Okay, as always, a crossword puzzle. Okay, we're not exactly going to be doing a crossword puzzle, but of course you're going to have some work to do. Righto, and like always, pause the video, and then you answer all the questions in your notebook or wherever. I suggest you do it in a notebook or on a piece of paper where you can put it in a file and keep it for future reference. Righto. The first one, I think, let's do that one together. Righto. Can I have a look at your newspaper? Yes, I wonder what could it be? Not go, it won't be go, right? Go with it. No. See with it. No, can't be. I would say, can I have a look at your newspaper? Yes, I've finished with it. Right, and there it is. I've given you the first one now already. So guys, please pause the video, answer the other 4 that's left, answer them, and once you've done, we can continue watching to check the answers. I'm going to give you a minute or 2 to answer the questions.
Hey, you must pause the video.
Okay guys, I assume that you have paused the video and you have answered all your, or you have completed the sentences with the verbs in the box. Righto guys, and now of course what's all left for us to do is to go and check our answers. Right, let's go and have a look. Check your answers. Right, the first one I've given to you already. Right, so let's go and have a look at the next one. I, some new shoes. What do you normally do? Buy, huh? I think buy will suit in over here. So you're going to be saying, I have bought some new shoes. Do you want to see them? It depends, eh? Righto. Number 3. Where's Jane? She's not here. She? Break? No. Finished? We've used finished already, huh? Buy we've used as well. Could be go. Yes, I think go, right? So I would say she has gone out. That sounds quite good. Number 4. I'm looking for Jane. No wonder could this be. I would say C would come in over here. Something with C, righto. So it's going to be, have you seen her? Righto. Don't forget seen her. C changes to seen. The last one, let's have a look at it. Look, somebody has broken that window. Guys, there they are. Please, if you had them all correct, go out and buy yourself a coffee. Don't forget to send me a coffee as well. My throat is very dry and I'm busy dying here of thirst. And give yourself a big pat on the back as you have accomplished a lot then. If you didn't have them all correct, I advise you to work through the lesson once again. And all the little tables I'm giving you guys, you know, you should actually write them all down in a specific little place. And you must learn those things off by heart. That's the only way you will master it. Okay, I'm just going to look at some of the key takeaways of the lesson. The present perfect simple is used to talk about past experiences with a connection to the present. It is formed with have, has, plus your past particle. Remember to use the correct form for regular or irregular verbs. Practice using the present perfect simple in your daily conversations. Guys, like I've said in almost every video, there's only one way you learn anything, and that is by practice, practice, practice. If you don't practice and continue practice doing it every day as many times as you can, you will never become a master at it. Like I've said many times, the day you learn to ride a bicycle, the first time you'll be falling and you'll be hurting yourself, but after a couple of times you'll be riding your bicycle without even thinking. And that's basically the same with anything that you learn in life. The only way and the best way is by doing it. Just by reading it and not doing it, you will not learn much. That is why, guys, go out there, try and speak much English, present perfect, past simple, whatever you want to, in all the lessons that we have learned up to now, and you will become a master at speaking English. Thanks for viewing. Oh, and don't forget to buy me a coffee.